And the dangerously cold temperatures of our own are finally in our rear view mirror as we have temperatures warming up over the next few hours, getting back above average by tomorrow, but that invites some more wintry concerns. That's why we have winter weather advisories that have been posted for most of northern Illinois, because we're going to have a wintry mix over the next 48 hours or so. Key details with this advisory: Stevenson, Carroll, and Whiteside counties. Your advisory begins at 3 a.m., lasts until 6 p.m. tomorrow. I would not be surprised if this gets extended into the evening, maybe into Tuesday morning, like the advisory is for the rest of northern Illinois. Winnebago, Ogle, Lee counties off to the east. That takes effect at 5 a.m. tomorrow, and it lasts until 9 o'clock Tuesday morning, because we're talking about multiple rounds of a wintry mix that will be moving through. So looking ahead to tonight, we're dry over the next few hours, then we get into round one. Low temperatures of 16 going to be set in the next hour or so, because they're going to be steadily rising throughout the night. Then the first round comes in. It's going to be a mix of snow and sleet with scattered showers rolling through the area. So as we jump into future track, it's going to be moving in closer towards 2 and 3 o'clock, mainly snow to start, only looking at about a dusting with this that could continue into the morning commute. I think after sunrise, that's when we could see some areas changing over to some sleet at times. So looking at tomorrow morning, not necessarily looking at too much, really dusting maybe up to a half inch of snow. It's just going to be falling during the commute, so it may slow you down just a little bit. Just give yourself a little extra time heading out the door tomorrow morning. Most of it should be wrapping up, but towards the midday and into the afternoon, there could be some patches of freezing drizzle, which could be a concern. On untreated roadways, there could be some slick spots that form due to that freezing drizzle, so we'll have to keep an eye on that chance. That's why that advisory continues throughout the day. Tomorrow we get up to right around 32 degrees, but then we head into the afternoon and into the evening, I should say. That's when we head into the next round. And this is looking to be a little more impactful. So we're looking at freezing rain and snow, the biggest concerns with this second round moving in later in the day. So jumping back to future track, it's going to be moving in from south to north throughout the evening, as early as 6 o'clock, mainly coming in as late as 9, should be becoming widespread towards midnight. It's going to be starting as a freezing rain, so we could have a glaze of ice on those roadways. That would be our biggest concern for travel impacts that could last into Tuesday morning. And then across parts of the area, we could see mixing with or changing over to a wet snow at times throughout Tuesday morning. As you see here, future track showing that rains and freezing rain across the area. After sunrise, I think that freezing rain threat goes away, because we'll have temperatures warming back up above freezing, but we're still looking at a rain-snow mix into the Tuesday morning commute. So we could be looking at icy and slushy road conditions through the Tuesday morning commute. So we're going to be watching that carefully here. So we're going to have to see how well those roadways fare out with any salt treatments, and also with those temperatures warming back above freezing. Precipitation tapers off heading into Tuesday midday and into the afternoon. Looking at a glaze of ice, 1 to 2 inches at most of snow into Tuesday before we dry out on Tuesday night. Temperatures keep warming through the 30s, but rain showers continue Wednesday into Thursday. And in your most accurate 10-day forecast, it looks like we dry out, but the warmer temperatures don't go away, so it's beginning to thaw things out heading into this week, Sam.